Going on is a customer stating that under acceleration, when they hit the throttle, they let go. They'll hear like a shifting sound. They weren't too sure if it was the suspension or not, but went ahead and took a look and came out to be that, as you can see right here, this motor mount has gone bad. It's gone bad. I don't like it, but yeah. Went ahead and removed this piece right here. Loosen up this so we can get some play around here. We'll be removing this bolt, the one on the bottom side right there, this one right here, this one right here. We should be able to pop it out right there. Alright, this is what we got going on right now. It's a 2007 Nissan Murano. Alright guys, I'll keep you updated.